Hey everyone, welcome to Codexical, your one-step destination to avoid everything AI, software engineering, and new tech ideas that exploit today's world. In this video, you will write your first program in Python. So don't waste your time, let's start. Open the VS Code and create a folder named as whatever you want. I have created Python mastery course and open the folder and locate this to any location. I have created the Python mastery course folder, so open it, click it and select folder. You will open like this. First you want to create a new file named as test.py as test.py. This .py extension tells you which type of program is this. .py means it's a Python program and it's a Python script. So let's write our first program. Print parenthesis colon inverted commas hello world. This program simply prints the hello world on screen. If you have learned C++, that you have seen that if a command ends, then you use the semicolon for this, but in this case you will not use it because in Python there is no semicolon used at the end of the sentence, so we will don't use. If we want to run, then shift hit Ctrl S to save this file and click on terminal, and we want to write new code. Now we are running this file python test.py, hit enter. Then you have successfully seen the program running. No errors. You want to follow the syntax first. If you don't follow the syntax, then you will face something errors. I will show you when you see the errors. If you remove this parenthesis or anything else in this case, you will see something errors. I will remove this and you will see there is error, also known as problems. You can see in line number 1 is a problem. So he tells us that line is not closed accurately because of this parenthesis is not in that place. So we will write that, and this print is in lowercase. If we want to print in capital letter, print, this is a test file, and hit Ctrl S to save. And when we run this file python test.py, hit enter, and you will see that there is an error, accurate form. So we will change it to small letter, Ctrl S, and rerun the program python test.py, hit enter, and you will see the program is running accurately. If you don't want to run this code, then you want to put $sign at the start of the line. It will not run. I will Ctrl S and run it. So then you can see that the upper line hello world is printed, but this test file is not showing there. So that's why this $sign is also known as comments. It's commonly used in by many people. It helps us to to know about the new code that are written by different peoples. So it helps us in many cases. When I remove this size sign, Control S and rerun it, then it will print automatically. So I have a quick exercise for you. Print your name, hobby, favorite game name on screen with the help of Python code. In the next video, you will learn about data types and variables. So see you on the next video and stay tuned, and don't miss to subscribe our channel.